Yo guys, I hope you have a great day. So in this video I am going to show you how to create viral post for your Facebook page or group. So currently I create video about how to create viral Instagram post. So if you didn't watch it, feel free to watch it. I will put link on description. So let's go to our tutorial. Okay, first of all you have to join with groups related to your niche. So as example, I get my niche as law of attraction. So currently I join with few groups. So this is one of group called the law of attraction and the secret. So after you join with and they will approve you, after that go to that Facebook group and there has little combo box. Just click on it and it has top post, new activity and recent post. So click on top post. After that scroll down. When you scroll down you will see most reacted post. So pick most reacted post on that group. So currently this one has 167 reaction, this one has 96. So just go through and find the most reacted post. So that's how you find viral post, and we have to rebuild, or we have to recreate this same post. This one has 838. So this one has 748. So pick the this one has 1k. So pick the pick the most reacted post. So let's go down and you will see a lot of post, and check that post related to your niche. Okay, this one has 842. So as example I will select this one. After that go to Photoshop. I use Photoshop, you can use Canva or something like that. Click on new, Facebook font size. I will create font size as 1000 by 1000. Resolution is 300. Create it. After that I go here and I search this. I search this tag, or I search this code. So that is believe. This is the code. Okay, now you can check any spelling mistakes. As example I type it like that, I will see the mistake. So you can find the spelling mistake by search on Google. So I cut this part and come to my Photoshop. After that I will put it as like this. Now we are going to create our own version of that post. So as example I will create it like this, and I will bold this part. Not bold, I will make it uppercase, capital O uppercase, and I will increase the font size, increase font space. Okay, great. I hope this one will be best. And now I go to website called Excel and I search universe. Then I will see the photos of universe. Do you know the real secret of law of attraction? It's not about universe. By the way, this is not channel to talk about this. By the way, I paste it on here and I will over this. Yep, nice. Now I have to change the color. I will make it blue and I will bold it. Nice. Then I will add some outer glow. Okay, yeah, this is the code. So this is how you can create viral code. So definitely try more than this, because I just do this for testing purpose, and this is how you can create viral posts. So just follow this method and you will see the result with no time. Okay, I will see you in next video. Bye.